Good morning, everyone. Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening. I'm fixing to go take a gander at the damage that was done with the freeze yesterday. It's Sunday morning, about 9:30. It's about 40 degrees. We did get down to 34 degrees last night. That's what my weather station is reading, but let's go check it out together. I hadn't seen it yet. My greens, of course, are doing just fine. Check out the green beans over here. Actually, they look like they're okay. Here's the next row. I think that they fared pretty good, and I think it's because they're so low to the ground, and maybe the ground temperature kept them warm enough to not freeze. Now let's check out my tomatoes. I think that they're looking okay. I do see a little bit of black on some of them, which is indicative of the edges maybe getting frozen, but it was just brief. You can see there. This one, it looks like took somewhat of a hit, but I'm hoping that it's going to be okay. Let's go check out my peppers over here. My peppers are in my raised bed, so I do think, yeah, they took some hits. You can see here the curled leaves, the black on the leaf. Yeah, there's another one. You can see there. Looks like there's probably a little bit of too much nitrogen in my soil as well. I'm gonna have to work with that today, maybe. And yeah, you can see a little bit of damage. My seedlings seem to be okay. I think again that these were close enough to the ground that maybe they didn't take a hit. We're supposed to get up to close to 60 today. I hope we do. Yeah, see, there's some of the damage. Let's walk over here and check out some other things. I'm going to check on my squash and zucchini. They're also close to the ground. Hopefully they're okay. Yeah, they look like that they're going to be all right. Of course, sometimes it takes a day or two to see the damage that a freeze does to your plants. But looky here, these seem to be faring quite well. It's still very, very chilly out here today. Look, I got a green bean coming up there. I'm gonna have to get that out. Everything seems to be okay in here. I think if anything got it, it was my tomatoes and my pepper plants, which I don't think it was severe. Again, we're gonna keep an eye on them. You know, I know the Lord's certainly in charge of what happens to this garden, and I will take, whatever He decides. But we'll keep on working at it. Yeah, everything looks to be okay. Let's keep on going down the row here. My corn looks all right over there. Here is my broccoli and Brussels sprouts. You can see a little bit of curling of the leaves, and I think again this might be a little bit too much nitrogen. I'm gonna have to watch this, or it could be too much water. My broccoli is liking the cool weather. Let's come over here and check out the greens. Cabbage, it certainly likes the cooler weather. Spinach looks to be all right. Lettuces, turnip greens, looking beautiful. Thank you, Lord. My beets, looking great. And my red romaine. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna have to thin some of this out. And my carrots. Oh, let's go take a look at the permaculture garden. Looking at my peach tree, I'm a little concerned. I don't know what's going on with it. It could be the cooler weather. And here's my permaculture. Let's take a walk in here. These are my butternut squashes. They're going to come up and they're going to create a huge ground cover. And they're looking okay. My mint looks like it's got a little too cold, but I think it's going to be all right. There's my strawberries. I got a little rabbit friend out here, and I think he's coming up and nibbling on some of this, but that's okay. And here's some more squash that I planted. And nothing's coming up here. This was zucchini, so I'll have to maybe replant on this. I planted these in my permaculture on top of the mulch with the soil I got, just to see if I could get it to come up. I think that some of it's going to come up and be okay. And here's the apple trees. They're just now starting to bud, and I think maybe I need to start paying attention to what these things do. Maybe they knew we were going to get that last cold snap, because they're sure taking their time on budding out. Let's look at this one. Yeah. Sure taking its time. It is sure taking its time budding out. This peach tree looks to be okay. So again, I'm not sure what's going on with that other one over there. Very worried about it. And here's our pear tree. See how she looks. It's got, look at there. I think it got a little cold, but hopefully it's okay. But you can see that. Let's go check my pomegranate. Here's the pomegranate tree. It budded out real quick this year. Filled out nicely. Some of the leaves are a little curly, but I think it's okay. What do you guys think? You think I'm gonna survive? We'll be watching everything, like I said, for the next couple of days. Sometimes it takes a couple of days for any freeze damage to show itself. Okay, we did the walkthrough. Overall, I think we fared pretty good. I'll have to watch a couple of the plants, see what happens in the next couple of days. But I know so many of you prayed, and I appreciate you so much, and thank you for praying. Amos, I hope that your stuff came out all right. Let me know. Keep me posted. 2 cedars, you guys were expecting what we got, and I know you were concerned last night as well. I'd like to know how you fared. Okie Rob, I thought about you this morning too. I saw a picture of your beautiful garden, and I know you're north of here. And Sherry, I know you're not going to be able to plant for a little while longer, but we're thinking about you and we're praying for you, and we hope that you fared just as well as we did, if not better. And we thank you all for watching. We thank you all for your support. Thanks for being a part of our community. And we hope that this is the last snap for a while. My prediction is that we will have a cool but dry summer. And I am concerned about the dry as well, but I think it's going to be a cooler summer than normal. Anyway, thank you all. Take care. God bless. Have a great Sunday. If you like this video, please go and click the like button and share our channel. And if you're not already subscribed, we hope that you do subscribe to our channel so we can see how we all fare. And again, I'm looking to hear from all my community to see how they fared last night. Take care. Bye-bye.